A project is a temporary endeavor. Projects aim to create a unique deliverable. This deliverable can be a product. It can also be a service, or it could be a specific result. Projects are defined by their temporary and unique nature. A project's temporary nature means it has a defined start and end. This contrasts with ongoing operations, which are continuous. A project is designed to conclude once its objectives are met. The project's end date is predetermined based on the project plan. This temporary aspect helps focus resources and efforts effectively. Once completed, the project team is usually disbanded or reassigned. The unique aspect emphasizes non-repetitive project output. It signifies the creation of something new, not routine. Unique outputs differ from existing standard processes. This novelty is a key characteristic of the project. It aims to generate distinct and original results. The result aspect of a project emphasizes the delivery of something specific. This deliverable can be a tangible product, such as a manufactured item. Alternatively, it may be an intangible service, like consulting or support. The result could also be a measurable outcome, such as increased efficiency. The key is that the project aims to achieve a defined and concrete result. This focus on results ensures projects have clear objectives and deliverables. A project is a temporary endeavor with a defined start and end. Building a house is a project. Work concludes upon completion. Launching a new mobile app also constitutes a project. Organizing a one-time event is another example of a project. Projects have specific goals and deliverables to be achieved. Projects and operations are distinct organizational activities. Projects are temporary endeavors with a defined start and end. Operations are ongoing, repetitive activities. Projects aim to create a unique product, service, or result. Operations focus on maintaining existing systems and processes. In essence, projects build, while operations sustain. Beginners often confuse projects with operations, causing planning problems. Projects are temporary endeavors with defined start and end dates. Operations are ongoing, repetitive activities that sustain the organization. Understanding this key difference is crucial for effective project management. Every project requires clearly defined objectives to succeed. Well-defined goals ensure alignment of all project activities. Clear objectives help to contribute to the desired outcome. Objectives provide a roadmap for project execution. They also facilitate effective resource allocation. Clear goals enable progress tracking and performance evaluation. Projects are inherently governed by constraints. The primary constraints are time, cost, and scope. These constraints define the project's boundaries. They limit available resources for the project. Constraints significantly influence project execution and deliverables. Projects need resources, people, materials, equipment, and money. Effective resource management is key for project success. Proper allocation ensures tasks are completed efficiently. Careful planning avoids shortages and overspending. Projects inherently involve risk and uncertainty due to their unique nature. Project outcomes are never 100% certain, making risk unavoidable. Proactive risk management strategies are crucial for project success. Effective risk management helps mitigate potential negative impacts on projects. The triple constraint consists of time, cost, and scope in project management. Time refers to the project duration from start to finish. Cost represents the budget allocated for the project's completion. Scope defines the deliverables, or the work that needs to be done. Changes in one constraint will invariably affect the others. Time, cost, and scope form the core constraints in project management. These constraints are interconnected and must be carefully balanced. Effective project management requires making informed trade-offs. Balancing these constraints is critical for project success. Understanding this balance is key for project professionals. The goal is to achieve project objectives within these limitations. Projects are temporary and unique endeavors. Routine operations management is unsuitable for projects. Project management offers specific tools and techniques. These tools ensure effective project execution and control. Project management aids in planning and coordinating resources. It also involves managing potential risks. Project management controls, changes, and ensures objectives are met. Effective project management ensures efficient and successful project completion. Beginner project errors include treating projects as daily operations. Another common mistake is starting work without clear objectives. Ignoring project constraints can also lead to significant issues. Underestimating potential risks is a frequent cause of project failure.